7mm may not seem like much. It's less than the thickness of a new iPhone and less than the diameter of a standard wooden pencil. But in the world of inductive proximity sensing for industrial automation applications, 7mm can be the difference between consistent detection and a damaged sensor. The E2E NEXT long-range sensors from Omron offer up to 7mm more sensing range than the standard M12 sensor. Here are the top 5 reasons these sensors should be in your next automation project. 1. Reduce equipment downtime. The long-distance detection range of the E2E NEXT helps prevent targets from striking and damaging the sensor, a failure that often requires replacement and contributing to an average of 800 hours of downtime per year. That downtime costs manufacturers an estimated $260,000 for every hour of lost productivity. 2. Smaller size. Electronics in general have been getting smaller and more capable, resulting in more tightly packed systems. The longer 9mm sensing range of the E2E NEXT allows smaller M12 size sensors to be used for tasks that previously required a larger M18 sensor, creating more space for added functionality or more mounting flexibility. 3. Oil resistant. Approximately 30% of unexpected component failures in metalworking applications are caused by cutting oil. Omron sensors meet requirements that are more stringent than an IP67G rating and provide rugged durability by using a specially developed fluororesin sheath on all sensor cables. 4. Ease of use. The E2E NEXT sensor isn't just designed for performance, but also for ease of use. The integrated high-brightness LED indicator has 360-degree visibility, making detection validation and operational checks simple. When needed, sensor replacement can be completed using a patented e-jig, which eliminates the need for adjustment and allows for same position installation by any worker. 5. I/O link interface. You can increase the productivity of your facility by accumulating information in databases and identifying trends and patterns of failure to improve equipment uptime. 3-wire versions of the E2E sensors support I/O link, facilitating real-time, condition-based monitoring and predictive maintenance when connected to additional sensors and controllers through an I/O link master. To learn more about E2E NEXT long-range sensors, visit mauser.com/Omron. Thanks for watching.